Hi, I have this garage door that won't close even if I release the automatic garage door opener. So manually, I still cannot close the door. The door, like when I try to close it, it will get stuck in the middle. Okay, that's where the right where the girl points. That's where the door gonna get stuck. So I'm gonna show you the situation. Okay. So here, I'm gonna close this door. Right here. Cannot close. Use all my might, but this door is still getting stuck there. So I'm thinking that probably the garage door is crooked or some kind of uneven situation is happening. If someone knows how to resolve this issue, please reply back to me. Thank you. Bye-bye.